Gentlemen?
Johnny, you remember Ray, right?
Yeah, how you doing?
How am I doing? I got the feds all over me, I got a boss who's a paranoid wreck, and I got a guy above me in the food chain with a brain like an overcooked artichoke. Things are great.
Yeah? Sounds like shit to me, but whatever. So, why you here?
I heard you boys is having a little internal dispute.
Yeah, where'd you hear that from?
From Ashley.
You friends with Ashley?
Everybody's friends with Ashley, tough guy. You know, she's a good kid and all. A little messed up, but, you know, she needed a friend.
Ray told us where Brian is.
Yeah. Oh, yeah? Where? And how the hell does he know?
All right. Don't go breaking my balls, all right? I talked to Brian a half an hour ago. And listen, I understand where you guys are coming from. And on one hand, I don't give a shit. A bunch of grease monkeys want to have an all-out gangbang be my guest. You're all adults. Sorta. But right now, I need calm. Billy's on the inside. I need a steady flow of merchandise. So it's in my interest to see that you boys calm things down. End this little squabble and get back to work. I'll see yous later.
Yeah, see you later,
Yeah,
Ray.
bye, buddy.
So what do you think, Johnny?
I think that guy makes my skin crawl. But now that you mention it, so does Brian. And right now, he's our problem.
God damn it. Brian was my brother.
Yeah, he was, but so were a lot of people. I don't feel like that shit means too much anymore.
So?
So I'm gonna go pay Brian a visit and see just what that fat fucker's problem is. See you all later.
I mean, I wouldn't want to be in prison or anything, but I take it. Fucking Johnny the Rat.
Johnny!
Clay, I'm at Brian's place. You guys want to come here and help me with him?
Right on, brother. Me and Terry can go around the back and wait for him. If you send a grenade in the window, that should smoke him right out to us.
Sounds good.
I'm gonna wait for our brother around back with Clay. Send him out to us, will you?
The Lost MC riding together. Make sure the right people died today, boys. Protect you, Brian. Brian's mine, Terry. Take that, son. Time to say good night, Brian.
See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya.
You're mine, you weasel. Somebody kill Clements. Brian, you little bitch, come out to play, eh?
Killing you is gonna be a pleasure.
Brian! Brian! Where are you, you anti-Semitic cocksucker? Brian, brother, it's time.
Shit! Someone talk to Brian!
I always knew you were a chump, you little fuck. Oh, Brian! Johnny's here!
Time's up!
You ripped this gay apart, asshole! We were your brothers, Brian!
I've had enough of you! Johnny, man. Really put me up to it. You swore an oath, Johnny. Don't do this to your brother, man. I'll get out of town. Please, Johnny. Please. I'll be good. I'll leave and I'll never come back. Lost MC forever, my brother. Don't do it. I'll leave the city, I promise you, man. You wouldn't kill a brother. You wouldn't. I'll be a ghost, man. Gone.